Big Ron's Tree Service is not your typical tree removal company. We do offer the standard services of tree pruning, removal, and trimming, but our company does so much more, putting superior customer service at the top of our priority list. As an ISA certified arborist, Big Ron's Tree Service is here to assist you in everything from trimming and pruning to permit services like tree surveys and arborist letters for construction, as well as tree selection and installation. We are also experts in tree and plant health and able to assist in matters of fertilization and health evaluation. We're proud to offer our services to fellow residents of lovely Miami, Florida, and look forward to working with you. Give Big Ron's Tree Service a call today at 305-588-3091. That's 305-588-3091.